YouTube channel, which is Asmitales. So in today's video, since spring is approaching, there's going to be more sunshine and more light, and you can go outside more and have more fresh air. So right now is actually the best time to plant your seeds. And since we have already planted our vegetables, so in this video we're going to be starting with the flower seeds, which I've really never done before. So I'm really excited. Now I'm going to be prepping the soil. For that, I'm going to be needing some tools which are outside, fertilizer, and some gloves. So now I'm going to be starting with trying to make the soil a little bit more fluffier because the top part is a little hard. I prefer to go in with your hands because it's kind of hard if you do it with tools. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some fertilizer and spread it out equally into the soil. Then don't pat it, you want to knead it in, just like a dough. Now I'm going to be continuing this until the dough and the fertilizer mix in really good. And then you want to equal the soil out just like this. So each and every part of the container has some soil. Then I'm gonna pour some water inside the container. I prefer to pour the water on the sides or spray the water on the sides because it will make everything nice and smooth. So I'm done with preparing the soil, and now we're gonna get sowing the seeds. So guys, I would prefer you guys to start with sowing the seeds outside right away, the bulbs, because squirrels, they're usually going around your backyard and they're gonna dig, like they dig inside soil and stuff, and they might find it and they might eat it. So I prefer not to plant them outside right away. For starters, you should plant them inside. As soon as they start sprouting out, then you should probably put them outside. So I have a lot of flowers. By a lot of flowers, I mean a lot. These are one of them. Most of them look same. This is a purple one. My favorite color, by the way. There's a little bit more colorful ones. They're like a Valentine's Day one, right? They have like red, white, light pink, dark pink. These are some lilies, orange lilies. Here we have some purple, yellow, white. Dad, why did you stop it?
Asmi, this looks boring. You know what? Instead you should try this.
So here we have some Deutsch irises. Then here are some Acidenthera. And these are some Lys de Calas, which are lilies in French. Then these are the same things we saw earlier, but in a Hawaiian version. So here in the pot, there are 8 holes. And now I'm going to be starting off with this one. It's like a pastel one. Like all these ones I have here are all the same, but they're different colors. So this is the pastel one, or the tropical one. Guys, these bulbs are looking like mushrooms. Okay, let's sew them. So let's start with this one. Okay. this grow kit is very simple. So you get the lavender seed and they're kind of tiny, and there's a palette inside here. So what a palette is technically, so like actually what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to take some lukewarm water and you're supposed to put this palette inside the lukewarm water, and you have to wait at least overnight for the whole thing to absorb the water, and then this is gonna like grow, and this is gonna be like this big around like because this pot. So right now it's this small, and then it's gonna get this big. And then you're supposed to put it here. You're supposed to put these seeds on top. And then since the soil is gonna be mushy, you can like put it inside and put a little bit of soil if you want. And it's really easy. So we're gonna have to wait overnight, but I'll still show you tomorrow how they're gonna be going. So let's start. So now I've got some lukewarm water in this bottle. Now I'm gonna fill this up. Good thing there's no holes. The water won't drain out.
Fast.
And yeah.
Remember?
I think it's till here. You have
Yes.
there. Now this is gonna grow. And we're gonna do the same thing with cucumber. I'll tell you another thing like about lavender. It's that they're slow germinators, and it takes about 4 weeks for them to germinate. Now we're going to be letting them sit overnight, and I'll show you guys tomorrow what we're gonna be doing next. So now it's the next day, and as you saw yesterday, I poured a lot of water inside them until about here, and then I let it sit all overnight, and now it is like fully risened up, both of them. So now we're going to be planting lavender and cucumbers. So let's plant cucumber first. Let's see. Seeds are very small, so be careful. Oh, the seeds of cucumber are really big. So here are the seeds. These are how they look. Okay, let's plant them. So let me see, I'm gonna take out all of them. Okay, I think that's it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 seeds. Let's do them. So for the cucumber, I'm gonna at least put them a little bit deep. Not too much, but a little bit. So I'm gonna spread out these really equally. I'm not gonna put them too deep inside. Let me just make a little hole. There. Like at least this big. So now, as you guys saw, I have planted the cucumber seeds. Now I'm going to be planting the lavender. Okay, let's open this. I'm gonna see how small the seeds are. Never really seen lavender seeds before, even though it's my favorite flower. Whoa, they're extremely small. They're like small as strawberry seeds. Here they are, they're so small. Okay, now I'm gonna plant them. So here's the lavender pot. Put all the seeds that are inside here. So we just need to spread them out all equally, and remember to not sow them deep inside. You just want to put them on top. And then you want to just pat it down. They're so tiny. They're tiny as like, you know, like strawberry seeds. and done. That's it. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and also thank you to Oxygen Valley for helping me with a few of these shots.
You're welcome, Asmi. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to Asmitales and Oxygen Valley. You can find the link below in the description box.
See you in my next video. Bye!
Bye!